Good morning, Royals. So I'm just out here drinking my coffee, enjoying the quietness of the morning. So I wanted to come on here quickly this morning and let you guys know that I'm still keeping you updated on the seedlings that I started in the Simply Sowing Seeds video, the ones that got frostbite. Yes, I'm gonna update you guys on those here in just a second and show you the damage. So we're gonna assess the damage. This bird is so loud. I'm thinking that I'm gonna do like a little bird bath and like a little bird feeder, because we have a lot of birds in this little tree. Ooh, and bees. So yeah, we have a lot of birds and bees back here, and I don't want it to get too crazy with bees, but I do like birds, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so this is the seedling tray. Let me just kind of show y'all what is what. So this was lettuce. This is tomatoes. This is peppers. Forgot what that is. This is okra. This is another tomato variety. What is this? I think this is cabbage. Not sure what that is. It didn't even come up. This is zinnias. This is carrots over here, and then this is poppy, a flower. So this is all that came up after the snowstorm, barely anything. And you can see on these leaves that they, you know, they got frostbite. I don't know, I'm not really sure the right terminology, but I don't know if they're dead or not. I was gonna just replant them and just see what they do, but I'm not even sure. These are definitely getting tossed out. They're just way too leggy. So that's what my seedling tray looks like. These are about to go. I'm probably gonna just try to save these if I can. These are some peppers, so if I can save those I will, but I'm gonna replant this whole thing and just start from scratch. Okay, so I was able to save 6 little seedlings. There were 2 pepper plants and 4 tomato plants. No, there were 2 pepper plants, 3 tomato plants, and 1 okra plant. So I don't know. I mean, I've never had any frost issues, so we're gonna see if we can save these. If not, then it's no big deal. We'll just toss them and just start over. But yeah, I thought I would just at least try to save them and see what happens. Plants are pretty resilient, so fingers crossed. So we'll see, and I'll keep you updated on these specific ones, but I will be replanting my other seeds. And one thing I wanted to talk about was these seed trays. So you guys know that I didn't use these last year, I just used them this year. And getting those little seedlings out of that was pretty, honestly, difficult. Maybe I should have looked it up how to get them out, but I heard that you just kind of squeeze the bottom of them and they should pop out. But it definitely was not that easy, so I don't know if I want to sow my seeds in those this next go round. I'm still not sure, I'm still debating. So I'll let you guys know what I decide on. So we're gonna replant these watermelon plants. This is what they're looking like. The ones that my mom planted are doing so well. They already have their true leaves coming in. Ooh, yeah. And they look really good. So we're just gonna put them in a bigger container so that they can have enough growing space. Putting gloves on. And we're just using some milk jugs that we cut in half and put some little holes at the bottom for drainage. Ooh, look at that. And it was already trying to grow fast.
Yes.
They said watermelons grow pretty fast though, so.
I don't ever want to overwater them.
So yeah, you don't have to buy new cups when you're planting. Just recycle what you have. It'll work perfectly fine. So watermelons came out of these, and we're gonna put some peppers that my mom bought from the store. She just cut up the peppers and took the seeds out. They've been soaking for a few days. So we'll see what happens. We're just gonna experiment and we'll keep you posted. What we get.
We don't want to waste these. And it's in the kitchen, so it's warm as well. And then at night, when the sun goes down, we put them under the light. So I don't know, it just seems like we created the perfect growing environment for these plants. So we're really excited about this.
Because she also does, she's really good at growing pothos plants. And they grow really, really long in her kitchen. I have no idea why. It's just, she just has the right environment for plants and stuff. So, yeah, we're going to see what we can do with this baby.
We're going to replant it.
Replant it, maybe propagate it. Get some little cuts from it.
Yeah.
See what we can do. And then these are over here on the floor because it's a little cool outside and I don't want to put them out again and then they just don't survive. So we'll see what they do. What's up, Royals? So today is, what is today? Today is Saturday. It kind of feels like Sunday because I've been cleaning all day and just trying to do, you know, some spring cleaning. That's my favorite time of the year. So I just wanted to take y'all along with the process of me emptying out these buckets that I had grown in last year. I did okra, tomatoes, and carrots last year. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty these buckets out so I can repurpose them. And I'll probably be planting some stuff tomorrow. I'm not sure, but yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. Let me show you guys what we're working with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 buckets that I'm gonna go ahead and empty. It's looking pretty crazy out here. We got the grill and everything. Grass is just crazy. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff that we need to get together. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean this up and get ready to sow some seeds tomorrow. I am so excited for the new season, for spring. I don't want to overwhelm myself, but I do want to plan a nice amount of things. So yeah, let's go ahead and get our gloves on and use our pruners and go ahead and, why is it starting to rain? Why when I got stuff to do, it wants to rain? We're getting this done anyway. Let's go.
Where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah, my heart's got a feeling. It's got a feeling like how it's beating. So let me be honest.
Okay, so we have cut down all the plants that were in these containers. This one had carrots. This is not a bucket. This is just a regular planter. Yeah, so I had 6 of those. So we're gonna go ahead and dump this soil. I know some people save their soil, but I see a lot of ants and stuff in here, and I don't know, I just don't feel like it's a little moldy, has some algae. We're gonna do fresh soil this year, so we're gonna go ahead and dump those.
Yeah, I want you always. Yeah.
I was thinking the root systems were going to be like super crazy for these, and I mean they were down to the bottom, I guess, and around the sides of the container, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. So yeah, it's not super bad down here. So we have 6 clean buckets. All I did was dump them and rinse them out. So those are ready to go for the new gardening season. I am so excited, y'all. Oh, okay.